Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Aini HANANNI binti AZNAN, B0519101116. The challenges of being a welder are muscular injuries, cut, crushes toes and finger and other physical injuries from the high pressure operation, sharp-edged material and difficult work environment that typically along with welding process, especially medical issues such as musculoskeletal disorder. According to the European Agency for Safety and Health, there are many factors that donate to the MSD, which are grouped into working conditions that involve the body bending with many other awkward posture and also other risk factors of MSD. The occupational activity that have high physical work demands seem to cause a higher risk of injury. Workers are mostly influenced by those factors which are associated with work-related musculoskeletal discomfort and injury to the lower back. Working posture while undertaking a job or task plays an important role as it is one of the main factors of work-related MSD. The work posture consists of awkward body bending, heavy manual lifting, repetitive movement and daily prolonged standing. The unfitting working posture causes the welder to face a variety of muscle and bone disorder, especially in the legs, arms, and wrists, which affect the quality of works. Next, problem statement. A. Lack of ergonomic and flexible welding stand for welder in the public market. B. Welders may face many health problems such as low back pain and arthritis. C. Younger welders face challenges with training and practice due to the equipment design that does not help them to learn efficiently. Moreover, our project objectives are: first, to design the ergonomic welding stand for welder at any position. Second, to improve the working environment for the welder in terms of safety and health. Third, to create an ergonomic welding stand for educating new and young welders. That's all from me. My friend will continue the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is JOHAREE and I will be providing context on our literature review. We did research on previous products and patents that are currently in the market, and we saw that each product has its pros and cons. Allow me to give you a short analysis on 4 products we found in the market currently. First, we have the BMFR welding table. It comes in a large size and capacity. It's made of carbon steel, which results in its weight and price. The user may also adjust its height. However, it may be MSD prone. Second is the strong hand tool Nomad welding table. It also comes in a large size. However, its capacity is only half the first product because of its table's thinness, as you can see in the picture. Made of carbon steel and also allows for clamping in its slots. An angle adjustable and is easy to store. Third is the strong hand tool Build Pro welding table, made of steel. It is 2 times longer than the previous products and has a thick table, which counts towards its exorbitant price and large capacity. Finally, we have the automatic rotary TIG welding table. It comes in a small size and capacity. It, however, has a safe design and wide applications. It is heavy and requires the user to learn its controls and commands.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nasir. In methodology, we divided it into 3 stages. The first stages is problem identification, where the first thing we do is do some research and observation to know what we're gonna do. Then, after a project is selected, a flowchart and Gantt chart are made for us to know the workflow of the project and also the time allocated to do the project. After that, 2 sets of questions are being sent out. The first set of questions are for the common people, and the second set is for a specific group, which is welder. It is made for us to gain more information. Then a HOQ then are made as all the requirements are listed out. The second stages are idea brainstorming, where ideas are being gathered from discussion of the members and also literature review. The initial idea are sent to the supervisor for approval and feedback, where it can be used to improve our product. Then a morphological chart are made, where a few conceptual design are being extracted. The conceptual design are then run from first to last to get the best design. And then convert it into a 3D modeling using CAD and SolidWorks. Then a material and process for fabrication are selected as it will functioning without failure. It will be sold at an affordable price. Last but not least is testing stage, where we use rapid upper limb assessment or known as RAHAYU to test the product effectiveness in reducing the risk of musculoskeletal disorder or known as MSD.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is AMIRUL. Today I'll be present to you about the result we get for this project. So after we decide to do the ergonomic welding stand table, we are needed to do a survey to ask people opinion about our product. Is it good or not? Is it ergonomic, and can it be useful in the industry? And from the result we get 42 respondents, and all of them are giving a positive answer. And then we do another survey about our product, but only focus on experienced welder. We ask for experienced welder about our product. Is it ergonomic? Will it help welder to do work in more comfortable workplace? And they also give positive answer. Besides that, they also give us some suggestion such as tool holder or adding a head gesture to be improvised in our product. So from the suggestion, we do some redesign on our product to add some part like the tool holder and also the head adjuster. So for the head adjuster, we will use 3D printing process to make the part. Moreover, some of the process like tungsten welding process to connect the top of a product to the main body, and also milling process, casting process, extrusion process are also involved in the making of this product. The reason why we add tool holder and also the head adjuster is because some of the welders are experiences with musculoskeletal disorder or MSD.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif NAJMI bin Marzian, and my matrix number is B0519101114. Discussion. The figure above shows customers' need for product and interest rate for those requirements which are referenced from the rate of vote conducted. It is vital since recognizing the voice of customer is one of the most punctual stage in creating a product which should not be overlooked. Next, House of Quality was conducted to identify and evaluate each customer needs. Among the customer requirement on the product are safe to use, easy to use, product performance, reasonable price, product quality, and etc. From the result shown in HOQ table, the relation between engineering requirement and customer needs can be determined by their rating. Figure 5.1.1 is a morphological chart for ergonomic welding stand. A few choices are listed for each function that may help achieve the target. There are 3 concepts from the idea, and we choose concept 3. From the result of screening process, concept 3 ranked first in the selection process, which satisfied the requirement and has the best design features that are desired by their user. In conclusion, from the result that we received from the survey, concept 3 fulfill the requirement that HOQ constructed in order to obtain the requirement and relation between customer need and engineering requirement for the product. HOQ also help us to realize that improvement that we might need to improve the product.